What's up guys, CC here, and I'm back with another video for the channel. In today's video we'll be making some nice rich creamy peanut butter smoothie. Yes, I said peanut butter. It's rich in flavor, it's creamy, it's delicious, but it's good for you. It's good for your heart, it's good for the brain, and it's rich in fiber, and it helps lose weight. So if you're working out or you're watching your figure, you don't have to worry. It's that guilt-free, delicious goodness that you could enjoy while you do all those things. So it's really simple, it's quick and easy. So I'll show you guys the recipe that I'm working with and how I do it. Okay guys, for the peanut butter smoothie, we're going to use my portable blender because I want to make one serving. The ingredients are raw oats. We have some almond milk, cinnamon powder, vanilla extract, as well as some nutmeg powder. Definitely need your spices if you want to stay on the healthy, nutritious side. And peanut butter, of course, because it's a peanut butter smoothie, peanut butter shake, and it's going to be delicious. We're going to start with the almond milk. It's not that I want you here. Yeah. It's not the way you say it to my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. You get away on trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is send up pictures on replay. Still right next to you. You do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you away, but we don't really want. I just wanna get away. Just stay right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Okay, and for the peanut butter, go ahead and we're going to put in about 3 tablespoons. This is going to be so good guys, and this is roasted peanut butter, honey roast creamy. When I tried this drink for the first time, I was so surprised, I was amazed. And a lot of people use banana as well, so you could add banana to it for more nutrition. Now I'm gonna use a napkin to cover my lid because this is not working properly. And there you go guys, that's it. Really quick, really simple, nothing complicated, and I'm sure it's delicious. Let me give it a try. Okay guys, so I just made this smoothie. Let me taste it. I'm telling you guys, peanut punch. It tastes like peanut punch. Really good. All my Jamaicans out there, if you love that Jamaican peanut punch drink that you normally get in those box drink, I'll put this picture somewhere here. That is what this smoothie reminds me of. So if you're missing that particular drink, definitely make this smoothie and try it out for yourself. I'm obsessed with it, and I'm so glad that I don't have to feel bad, feel guilty about enjoying this. So you guys get to see me like this because I'm just getting off work and I'm about to work out, and this is a good post-workout smoothie, so I can't wait to work out and enjoy my smoothie. See you guys.